Hello again, everyone. Today's video is going to be on math probability using the infinitive to. So it's going to be a bit of an integrated lesson with English, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We often use the infinitive to talk about what something is for. And the example here is, I use my art book to draw pictures. The list below provides how likely is each event. So I've got impossible, unlikely, equally likely, likely, and certain. So let's look at the first one. Impossible, I will walk to the moon. So as you all know, you can't do that at this point in time. Unlikely, I will see a snowstorm when I go to the desert. Now, yes, it does snow in the desert, but it's unlikely that if I went to the desert, I'm going to see any snow. So that's unlikely. Equally likely, they will get a red or yellow token when they go to do the drawing. A token are these things here, and I put visuals up to help you. So these are tokens, and here's the bag they would do the drawing out of here. Okay, so there's a very good chance that if two people did this, they would draw possibly the same color. It's equally likely. So I thought I put a visual up to show you what I mean by this. Likely. With traffic so bad now, he will be late to the party. Certain. I will go to sleep when I am tired. So for the bonus activity, I want you to write 5 of your own events using the infinitive to. Say how likely or unlikely they are. And the example here I have says, I will drive to school. That's unlikely. That's for me, personally speaking, okay? So the sentences I'm asking you to write are for you personally. So I don't live far enough from the school to drive, so it's very unlikely I'm going to use a car. I'm just going to walk. So that's today's video, and I thought I'd do a little integrated lesson that applies both math and English. So I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day with me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.